Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Samsung Galaxy A26, a budget-friendly powerhouse that just hit the market in March 2025. With some pretty solid specs and features, it's shaping up to be a great option for anyone looking for value without compromising on quality. Let's break it down. First up, let's talk design. The Galaxy A26 comes in a sleek, modern package with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on the front and back, so it's tough against scratches and drops. The frame is plastic, but that's pretty standard for this price range. It weighs in at 200 grams, which feels solid but not too heavy. It's also got an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, meaning you can take it up to 1 meter underwater for 30 minutes. Perfect for those accidental drops in the pool. Now, the real star of the show here is the 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. That's right, smooth scrolling, buttery animations, and vibrant colors. Whether you're streaming videos or gaming, this screen punches well above its weight. The resolution comes in at 1080 by 2340 pixels, delivering sharp visuals, and it gets up to 777 nits of brightness, making it easy to use outdoors in the sun. It's protected by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, so you're getting top-tier protection here too. Plus, there's an always-on display, which is a nice touch for keeping notifications at a glance. Under the hood, the Galaxy A26 packs a punch with the Exynos 1380 chipset paired with up to 8 GB of RAM. Whether you're multitasking or running apps like a pro, this phone can handle it all. Performance-wise, the phone scores 579,811 on Antutu and 2,768 on Geekbench, so it'll breeze through everyday tasks. And if you're into gaming, it'll handle moderate titles just fine, though some of the most graphically demanding games might need to be dialed down a bit. Now let's talk cameras. The 50-megapixel main camera is the highlight of the triple camera setup. With features like OIS, optical image stabilization, it's built for stable shots, even in low light. It's paired with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera for those expansive shots, and a 2-megapixel macro lens for those detailed close-ups. You also get 4K video recording at 30 FPS, which is amazing at this price point. Selfies? The 13-megapixel front camera does a great job too, with crisp details and 1080p video. Battery life on the A26 is solid, with a 5,000 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day with moderate use. Plus, it supports 25-watt fast charging, so you can get back up to speed quickly if you're running low on juice. Active use? Expect about 10 hours and 44 minutes of screen time. That's more than enough to power through a full day of work or play. Running on Android 15 with One UI 7, the Galaxy A26 offers a smooth software experience, plus up to 6 major updates over the next few years. That means it'll stay fresh with new features and security updates for the long haul. One UI 7 is intuitive, with tons of customization options and a clean interface that's easy to navigate. So the Samsung Galaxy A26 offers a ton of value for its price. For just $230, you're getting a 6.7-inch AMOLED display, solid performance, a 50-megapixel camera, and great battery life. It's a fantastic option for those who want a reliable phone without paying flagship prices. You can grab it in black, white, mint, or peach pink. Plenty of choices to fit your style. That's it for today's review. Let us know in the comments if the Samsung Galaxy A26 is on your radar, or if you have any questions about the phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.